Why are we yawning when we are tired? 1. Brain cooling. Yawning may help cool down the brain. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath of air, which can help regulate brain temperature and maintain optimal functioning. 2. Oxygen regulation. Early theories suggested yawning helps increase oxygen intake and remove excess carbon dioxide. However, this idea is now less widely supported. 3. Arousal and alertness. Yawning may help transition the brain between states of alertness, such as waking up, staying awake, or staying focused during drowsy moments. 4. Social and empathic communication. Yawning is often contagious, particularly among humans and social animals like chimpanzees and dogs. This may strengthen social bonds and signal shared emotions or states.